Okay, quick update on those gold runway spotlights. The light output on these seems to be quite good, but problem. Having installed them with the supplied wiring loom which includes the dimmer, here's what happens when they are powered. They come on full power, good. Not really, because they only stay on for a few seconds before they switch themselves off. Believing there was a fault with either the relay or the dimmer, I contacted Gold Runway via the AliExpress app. Having had to send them a video, followed by another video, followed by another video, followed by another video, they just kept playing dumb. Eventually, after opening a dispute with AliExpress for a partial refund, I got an explanation including a video demonstrating that it is a self-test system feature. Basically, it means that when you're riding along and you need the spotlights on, first you have to power them up, then you need to wait for the self-test system feature to be completed, which is about 3 seconds. Then you press the button to switch them on. Then, because they only switch on low power, you have to turn the knob a number of times before they are on full power. Is this a seriously crap design or what? The easy basic workaround is to dump the wiring loom and wire the spotlights themselves directly to a switched supply. Black wire to negative, white wire to positive. They then come on full power and importantly stay on. There also seems to be a workaround to get the dimmer and strobe functions working as well, but I have yet to implement it, so that may be for a later date. Hopefully I'll be able to get them to work the way they should work, and I will try to upload an update, but in the meantime, I must say that unless you are willing to get your hands dirty, those gold runway lights are not for the faint-hearted. As for the customer service, it seems that they will try to stall you as much as they can until you open a dispute. At some stage they were even claiming that the lights I had were not gold runway, so I'm not exactly impressed.